So if you've been in a stock over this past, let's say 8 months or so, and you thought it was going to be a good stock, and then all of a sudden it falls over 50%, yeah, you're not the only one. What is going on, everyone, and welcome to Stock Rank. My name is Johnny. It is so good to be with you all.
Oh my goodness, has the stock absolutely tanked.
So today we're going to talk about Cleanspark and why on earth Bitcoin prices have gone up over 50% in the last month, whereas Cleanspark has actually gone down. Let's go ahead and get started. So for those of you that don't know about Cleanspark, Cleanspark has two business segments that they really focus on. One is the energy side and one is the Bitcoin mining side. But if you want to know more about their underlying business, you can go to their website, or you can actually go to one of my previous videos that I've made, and I'll probably put a link up here. But anyway, over the past 8 months, this stock has absolutely tanked by going down 70%. From $40 to a whopping $10 a share. And quite honestly, I think if you have been in this stock for a while, it is super easy to get frustrated. I mean, at this point, it's around the same prices as it was back in October of last year. So trust me, you're not the only one that has felt this way. And to add on to all this, if we were to compare Cleanspark to the other Bitcoin companies, it makes no sense why Cleanspark is valued at what they are right now. And just to show some proof, let's go ahead and compare it to Riot Blockchain. Now, both of these companies actually revealed their July updates, and Riot is actually mining 3 times the amount of Bitcoin as Cleanspark. But Riot is valued at over $3 billion, where Cleanspark is sitting just around 400 million. So if we just compare the Bitcoin mining segments of both of these companies, we should see that Cleanspark is actually valued at twice the price that it is right now. And that's not even including their energy side of their business. Now, yesterday they announced their Q3 earnings, and quite honestly, it was not what a lot of people expected. Their net income was actually a net loss at negative 16.7 million. They missed on revenue and they missed on their EPS. But there's simply just too much growth going on within this company for me not to be bullish on this stock. Now, for full transparency, I was extremely concerned about Cleanspark about a month ago because I was trying to compare their Bitcoin mining segment to the other Bitcoin mining companies. I mean, their competitors were planning on expanding so fast in comparison to Cleanspark. And that was until August 10th when Cleanspark put out their press release. Their CEO, Zach Bradford, ended up saying by the end of 2021, at current difficulty rates, they would be mining 17 to 18 Bitcoin per day. Now, just to let everyone know, they were planning on actually executing in September of next year. And Cleanspark's guidance is actually better than what the analysts had, even though that they missed on revenues and EPS. They actually expect to be somewhere around 49 to 62 million, and they were even saying that this number could be conservative. Now, I do want to take this with a grain of salt because this is assuming that Bitcoin is going to stay at the price of 47,000. But another awesome thing about this conference call is that they actually just released their mVolt product to the state of California. Now, mVolt is actually their microgrid for all residential areas, and so this is actually going to be a huge part of their business in the years to come. I believe that they will be profitable in the next year. So in conclusion, is Cleanspark still a buy? Absolutely. What are we talking about? I really did not care what ended up happening with this conference call. I have continued to add to my position, and honestly, I don't care if this price stays at where it's at. I'm going to continue to add to my positions because I know that as long as Bitcoin stays at the price that it is or grows, this company is going to grow exponentially. I mean, personally, I would rather be buying the stock at $12 than $20. And I truly believe that it is only a matter of time before the big investors actually end up jumping on this stock. Because like I said, if you compare to Riot Blockchain, Cleanspark should not be valued at the price that it is. So either Riot Blockchain, Marathon, and all these Bitcoin mining companies need to reduce in value, or Cleanspark needs to go up. Another thing to consider is that there's only a certain amount of Bitcoin. So there will be a time where the number of Bitcoin runs out. Cleanspark is one of the only Bitcoin mining companies that actually has another side of the business that is continuing to expand. And especially with the release of mVolt and many of their other products, I really believe in the next couple of years, this energy segment is going to boom just like the Bitcoin mining segment did. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, please hit that like button down below. That helps this channel immensely. Hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and we'll see you in the next one.